everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Celestine. Today I will show you how to draw an adorable kitten. I love cats, which is why I want to teach you how to sketch one of my favorite animals. So once again, if you're bored, this will keep you busy and it is a very easy masterpiece if you're new to drawing. So let's get started. This is how I do a gray and white striped kitten. So I'm gonna start with a big round circle, some ears on the inside, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. The eyes. And I'm going to just shade in the inside. Next, I'm going to do a stripy one, a gray and white one, and now I'm going to do the nose and the cute smile. And the whiskers. Now, next thing I'm going to do is the body. Now I did the tail, I'm going to do the thing at the tip of the tail, and I'm going to start doing some more stripes. And on the legs. So now I've done my cute kitten, I'm going to start coloring it in. I'm going to start with the ears. And of course, the inside of the ears. They're pink. I'm going to continue doing the whole thing white and gray. Just carry on coloring it in. And I'm also going to add a little bit of grey on the white bits just to represent it's a little bit more like light grey. And again, I'm coloring my nose pink. And just to be a little bit more creative, I'm going to add a little bit of a ribbon for a finishing touch. There. Now that is one beautiful, cute kitten. Thank you for watching and being with me today. I hope you enjoyed. Keep drawing and being creative. And watch out for my next exciting videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!